If you're wondering whether Notion Mail AI lives up to the hype, stick around. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one just dropped. But there are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. This could be a game changer, or a waste of time, depending on how you use it. You can try Notion Mail AI completely free from the first link below. And trust me, what it can do might surprise you, especially if you're using email for client work, internal teams, or marketing. But wait till you hear what it can't do yet. That part's at the end, and it's important. So here's what you need to know. First off, Notion Mail AI is built into your existing Notion workspace, which means no more flipping between your inbox and your documents. You get AI-generated summaries, replies, and even automatic sorting, all without leaving Notion. That's a massive time saver if you're managing projects or content pipelines. Second, its AI drafting feature is surprisingly solid. It analyzes the tone of your previous emails and writes replies that actually sound like you. Whether you're doing cold outreach or managing clients, that alone can save hours every week. Third, it connects directly to Gmail, and setup takes under 60 seconds. No Zapier, no browser extensions. It's just native. That frictionless integration is something most AI email tools still don't get right. Fourth, this one's big. It pulls in context from your entire Notion system. So if someone emails you about a project, the AI can pull relevant notes, past conversations, even deadlines, into your draft reply. It's not just smart, it's aware of your whole workflow. Fifth, the Mail AI dashboard actually lets you train the assistant over time. The more you use it, the more accurate and personalized it gets. You can even set preferred tone profiles, like professional, casual, persuasive, depending on who you're emailing. Sixth, and here's a curveball, it's still very early. You won't find deep calendar integration yet. There's also no multi-account handling, and attachments can be a bit clunky. These are things you need to be aware of if you plan to use it as your main inbox. Seventh, and this is the open loop I hinted at earlier, there's a hidden productivity boost that most users completely miss. When you link your daily planner inside Notion to your email threads, you start getting action item suggestions automatically. That shifts your workflow from reactive to proactive in a way that's hard to explain until you feel it. So, is Notion Mail AI the best just released AI software? For people already using Notion heavily, yes, it might be. It brings email and productivity into one place and lets AI do the heavy lifting. Just don't expect it to be your entire email solution yet. You can test it completely free from the link below. And if you're into AI tools like this, I've listed my top recommended AI software picks, all free to try, in the description. After testing thousands of tools, those are the ones that actually make a difference.